and a very good day everyone. My name is KESHANRAJ Ganesh from 3BMMH 1/2 matrix number B09 1810319. Today, me and my fellow group mates are going to talk about impacts of HVAC system towards our health. For your information, there are two types of impacts, which is positive and negative impacts. I am going to focus more on positive impacts. The first positive impact is it prevents dehydration and heat stroke. We will end up getting dehydrated when we are being exposed to excessive heat for a long period, and we end up lost a lot of water amount in our body. Okay. A HVAC system like air conditioner can reduce sweating by minimize the risk of water loss and dehydration. At the same time, air conditioner also reduces the temperature of air, and they help us from getting heat stroke. This can be done because the indoor unit of our air conditioner ends up absorbing all the heat inside a space or room, and it gives us conditioned air with comfortable temperature. The next positive impact is HVAC system will improve our respiratory condition. As we all know, airborne particles are always in the air, but in an enclosed space like home or office, these particulates become trapped in a place. It cannot escape anywhere because it is closed area. In addition to particulates, fumes and other harmful gases also can be trapped inside an enclosed space, like we mentioned before. Okay. To avoid this, air conditioner can help to filter as well as it disinfect the air that we breathe, and this will help and to reduce the risk of getting asthma attack and allergies by removing the pollen dust, preventing the growth of mildew and mold. The next positive impact will be presented by my fellow friend Afiq. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Afiq Hamizan bin Syaharudin. I am from BMMH 1/2. So, today I'm going to explain more about how the central air conditioning system improve your environment. I will continue Keshan's point. For my first point is consistent temperature. Many people underestimating the harmful effect of being too hot or too cold. Being overly warm or cold can quickly sap energy, contributing to chronic fatigue and depleting the immunity system. For the second point is better sleep. Central air conditioners serve a biggest purpose than just beating the summertime heats. By setting your air conditioner at night between 70 to 74 Fahrenheit, are more likely to get better night sleep. Falling asleep at a temperature within this range eliminates the need for your body to regulate its own temperature. Between the air in the room is already cold, keeping the room too hot or too cold will force your body to stay awake, to trying to adjust itself less than ideal conditions. For my third point is immunity system. Air conditioning keep illness spreading germs in check by keeping the indoor space cooler, working much the same way as a refrigerator does to limit microbial growth, putting the body under same repetitive stress by making it operate in extreme human environment is stressful on the immunity system. So that's all for how central air conditioning system improve your environment. So thank you.
Hi guys, my name is ZAHIM SUKAIRI. You know, some people have health problems while in the HVAC building. Well, I'm gonna show you the negative impact of HVAC towards our health. Air conditioners can also have a negative impact on our health. We will look at a few negative impacts that can be brought on by HVAC and how can we relieve some of these symptoms. Dryness. Air conditioners remove moisture from the air during the cooling process, and this can affect us in several ways. Leaving the air conditioners on for long periods of time will dry out the air in a space and cause discomfort or even something more serious. Dry eyes. Dry eyes, those that suffer from dry eye syndrome experience dryness, irritation, redness, and blurred vision, and these symptoms can be exacerbated by the dryness of the air caused by air conditioning. Dry and itchy skin. Sun exposure combined with prolonged exposure to air conditioning can cause dryness and irritation in the skin. They may be temporary but can cause significant discomfort. Headaches. Dehydration and continued shivering due to cold temperatures can also cause headaches and migraines. Headaches can be brought on by poor air quality associated with systems that are not maintained properly. Dehydration. The lack of moisture in the air caused by air conditioning can promote dehydration, which can also lead to headaches. Now remember I say at the beginning of this video, I say how can we relieve some of these symptoms. To overcome many of these symptoms is by taking a short walk outside or opening windows intermittently to circulate the air. While these side effects can be serious, most of them can be avoided by selecting and maintaining a clean and effective HVAC system. Be sure not to become over-dependent on your air conditioner and always allow for proper ventilation so that the spaces you occupy are healthy and clean.
Negative effect in HVAC and our health. So this is my name and my number metric. So first point is air quality. What air quality? HVAC provide filtering that improve air quality and air conditioner that not maintained properly. Adverse effect on our health. Respiratory condition. As a air conditioning dry out air conditioner, it can cause nasal blockage, dry throat, shortness of breath, or even lung infection. The third point is allergy and asthma. Air conditioner provide relief for allergy sufferer, but a poor system expose us to unhealthy particles, and while excessively cool conditions disease. What is disease? Air conditioner can dry out our nasal passages and mucous membrane, leaving us susceptible to virus and bacterial infection, drowsiness, fatigue. You may think that a cool environment help keep your work and improve energy level, but in fact, prolonged shivering in a cool environment can contribute to fatigue and a lack of concentration. Air conditioner that evenly match temperature precisely across device space throughout a facility to avoid excessive cool should provide comfortable environment for any home, office, school, hospital, and commercial. The HVAC system in our home and office ensure that we stay comfortable throughout the year, but this same system can be causing us health risks that we never assume to be air conditioner related. Side effects can be serious. Most of them can be avoided by selecting and maintaining a clean and effective HVAC system. And lastly, taking care to monitor how you use your air conditioner and how it affects your body can keep you comfortable, healthy and more productive. Thank you for today. Assalamualaikum.